Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Duo, where learning English is not just about vocabulary lists, it's about confidence, real communication, and connection in real life situations. I'm Emma, and as always, I'm so happy that you're here practicing with us today.
And I'm Leo. Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us. You're doing something amazing just by listening. You're improving your English every single time you show up, and we are proud of you for being here.
Absolutely. Today's episode is going to be very practical and helpful because we're talking about something that many people need to do when they live in an English-speaking country or even when traveling abroad, going to the bank.
Yes, and for many English learners, going to the bank can feel stressful. There are a lot of specific phrases, professional language, forms to fill out, and sometimes long conversations.
And sometimes when you're nervous, even simple sentences can feel difficult to say. And that's okay. That's why we're here. Today, we'll practice exactly the phrases you can use so you feel calm, confident, and ready.
We'll start with a friendly conversation about banks and banking vocabulary. Then we'll do a realistic role play at the bank, so you can hear the phrases in action.
Then we'll break the conversation down into smaller parts so you can repeat after us and practice pronunciation.
By the end of this episode, you'll feel more confident talking to a bank teller, asking questions, opening an account, depositing money, or withdrawing money, all in natural English.
So, Leo, when you first moved to another country, how did you feel about going to the bank?
Oh, I was nervous. I didn't know the vocabulary. I didn't know how to explain what I needed. I remember practicing in my head before talking to the teller.
Yes, that's so common. Some people even write phrases on paper before they go, just so they don't forget.
And that's okay. Honestly, that's smart. Preparing your phrases before speaking helps your brain relax.
Great job listening. Now you already know many useful words. Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
I'd like to open a new bank account.
Do you have your identification with you?
Yes, I have my passport.
Hi there. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to deposit some money into my account.
Sure. How much would you like to deposit?
I'd like to deposit $200, please.
No problem. Cash or check?
Cash, please.
Great. Please sign the deposit slip.
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Your deposit has been completed.
Thank you so much. Hi, I'd like to withdraw $50 from my checking account.
Of course. May I see your ID?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Here is your cash. Have a nice day.
You too. Thanks.
If English feels difficult sometimes, that's normal. It means your brain is growing.
Yes, you're building new pathways in your mind, and growth takes time.
Don't expect yourself to be perfect. Perfection is not the goal. Communication is the goal.
Every time you listen to English, every time you speak even one sentence, every time you show up here with us, you are improving.
We are proud of you, truly.
Thank you for spending this time with us today. You have done something great for yourself.
If you enjoyed this episode, remember to follow, subscribe, and come back again. We're here with you every step of your English learning journey.